are in the process of replacing this rusted boiler drain valve. First thing we need to do is locate the water shutoff. So there it is. We're gonna crank on it. It's a little bit tough, hasn't been opened or closed in a while, so we're gonna give it a few cranks here. Make sure it's all the way off. All the way. I think that should be good. Next step is we are going to drain all of the water out of the boiler. It's going to take a few minutes, a few buckets of water. Drain, drain, drain. Here we go. So we finally got the water out of the boiler. Get a few drips, it's no big deal. When we take this off, we're going to get a little more water. It's going to trickle out, also no big deal. But we've let this drain for a while, and now we are ready to get our pipe wrench and take this rusted drain off of this boiler. Here we go. So now we're going to get our pipe wrench, get a good grip on this drain, start turning. Here we go. It's coming out pretty good. And once we get it far enough, we can start removing it by hand. We'll just unscrew it. I'll show you how corroded this drain was and why it needs to be replaced. See, there's the extra water that's kind of dribbling out. See how corroded that is? See all the gunk that's built up? This is why you have to drain your boilers, or else you get all this buildup. And service your boilers as well. So that's that. Now we are going to start replacing the valve. So we have our new drain valve here. It's a 3/4 inch drain valve. And for our sealant, we are going to use this blue block. The blue block is used for high temperature applications, so boilers, things like that. So we're not going to use any tape, we're just going to use the sealant by itself. So I have the can open here. I'm going to apply it to these threads and kind of work it around, make sure we get it in all of the threads. We have enough coverage. Yep, so we're just turning it here, checking out the drain on all sides. Make sure we have enough in these threads. Yeah. And this particular sealant, it's a good idea to wear gloves if you have them. If it gets on your hands, it's kind of tough to actually get it off. So if you have gloves, I would encourage you to wear gloves. So now we're just going to thread this back into our boiler here. Just going to start by hand. Once we got it going, we're just going to hand tighten it as far as we can. Hand tighten it. Then we're going to grab our wrench. Got our wrench here. And we're going to give it a few more turns just to get it into its proper position. There we go. Yep. And that's it.